Fleximeasure is the lightweight, versatile and wireless inclinometer solution from Senceive. Use it in geotechnical and structural monitoring applications both above and below ground. Fleximeasure is changing the way that we deploy monitoring in rail, construction, mining and more.
In geotechnical applications, the system can monitor ground movement at the surface or in boreholes. Install vertically to measure lateral movement or horizontally to measure settlement and deformation. Sections click and connect in seconds to form a string that is flexible, waterproof, and robust, and can be used in narrow boreholes.
The carbon fibre segments are incredibly light. In most cases, one person can carry them to site and install within minutes.
With low power consumption and solar panel options for remote locations, Fleximeasure can work for years with virtually no maintenance. For structural applications, Fleximeasure's triaxial sensors can be fitted vertically or horizontally and are ideal for bridge and tunnel arches. Choose segment lengths to fit your needs, from 0.5 meter to 3 meters. With flexible joints and short lengths, Fleximeasure can be fitted close to bridge or tunnel surfaces, minimizing clearance issues. A string of segments can be fitted around a tunnel arch in an hour, providing an effective tool for convergence monitoring. Data is sent through the air to be securely viewed on a computer, tablet, or mobile anywhere in the world.
Simplicity, safety and precision are just some of the reasons to choose Fleximeasure.